All right, gang, random here checking in. Y'all see what it says, current performance. So this here video, we gonna see what it look like to get a wire harness from current performance. My first time dealing with them. It's for the this here is for the 95 Impala swap. I'm gonna have to open this thing outside because y'all see how it's all packaged. So let me handle that and I'll get back with you and bring it outside, gang. All right, gang, we back outside with this here wire harness. Now this is the old wire harness here. I'm gonna pull him out the bag. I'm sure we don't wind up throwing him away. Guess they probably stretched it out and took the measurements that they need, because this replacement harness that we have here, I'm not sure if we need this or not. We'll see once we look at this here new harness they got, see if they provided any any power connector. So just the harness right here. Let me get it laid out. Let me get it laid out right quick, and I'll cut y'all back on and go over everything. All right, gang, so I got it all laid out here. We also purchased a PCM from them as well. Came with a bass tune, you know, just a VATS deleted pretty much, and I think that's about it. And got the LS2 style injectors. We did go with a EV6 style connector, but you see everything is all labeled. I mean, it's real nice. It's real nice. I was looking for the transmission plug. Vehicle speed sensor. So this your 202 sensors. A lot of wiring to plug straight back into the car. I'm guessing this here whole section here gonna go in the car on the firewall. This is like a little vacuum line for something right there. But they got the other fitting hood lamp. So we got the fuse block, and everything is labeled on that diagram. Got the labels all up in here and stuff. For the fuse block diagram. We'll see it. Show how to hook the alternator up. Install the solenoid. That's what we add that what it cost us. So if anybody want to know. Fit, I'm not sure that broken. We'll have to put a splice kit or what on that, but you see all the all the old wiring. Probably just go ahead and keep this here engine ground. Keep the hold on to him. So I got the cross member pretty much done, but it came with everything. This here should be plug and play. This is the tech gauge right here. It's going to our tech gauge. We got our OBD2 port. All this shit should plug in the car. Hood lamp. AC high, AC clutch, mass airflow. Restore the wire. Crank position sensor. So it is real nice. A little pricey for me. I think I'll rather try to make one, but this one here was a different task. And for customers, and you want the customer stuff done right. Something like myself, I can spend a little bit more time on and or take the risk and chance of messing up a trial and error type thing. But when you're dealing with a customer, you want to make sure it's right. So we got to do it the right way. Y'all see it. It is a real nice harness. $1,500, you could get you one with the computer. We will need to get it a little performance tune. They don't do performance tuning. They set the stock files up in there, so we will need a performance tune after. But y'all see it. I guess for that price, we could have went with probably the Harley system, maybe, huh? I don't know. Y'all get up in the comments and let me know what you think. Let me know what harness you running. Like I said, I like it, though. It looks good. Go ahead on and throw it in the box and gather some more stuff, and we'll go make a video over there. Back on the Impala that we got the 6.0 in pretty soon. Y'all see what we doing. I just got these heads, about to clean them up. Got one right here for the low. And y'all holler at me. LS Swap the world, baby. But real nice though. I'm gonna put on a current link in the description if any of y'all wanna go check them out. So comment, share, like, subscribe, all that's free. Y'all know we're gonna keep it coming. So we gone. Mr. Randall. Yes, sir.